Good morning, students. How are you, all of you? Hope you all are very well. Stay home, stay safe. Wear mask when you move outside. Wash your hands regularly with soap. It can help COVID free. Okay, now let's enter into the session. And today we are going to know about a activity. Children will learn oxygen released from plants. Let's we prove this with a activity. Our today activity name is oxygen evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of light. So to do this we need materials. The materials are two beakers, two funnels. Funnels ante gavra అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం మనం. And a test tube. Next, a hydrilla plant. It is a aquatic plant. If hydrilla plant is not available, we have to use any other aquatic plant. Next, a black paper and bucket full of water, incense stick and matchstick. These are the material we needed to do this experiment. Students, first we have to take a beaker full of water and insert a hydrilla plant into the funnel and put this funnel in the bottom of the beaker. Next, invert a water filled test tube over the stem of the funnel. This will help to retain the water column in the test tube. Now this complete arrangement you have to set in the beaker. Next, take the same setup out of the beaker and keep it under the sunlight. Arrange the second set. Look like this set. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ సెట్ ఎలాగైతే అరేంజ్ చేసామో అలాంటి సెట్ ఇంకొక సెట్ కూడా మనం సేమ్ హైడ్రిల్లా ప్లాంట్ తీసుకొని ఫనల్ లోకి ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసేసి అండ్ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ పైనుంచి మనం సెట్ చేసేసి సేమ్ సెటప్ ని we have to set the same setup in the dark place. So this is the arrangement. Place one of the arrangement we have to place in sunlight and one of the arrangement we have to place in the dark. Now keep it undisturbed for few hours. So when we set the operators in dark place and in the sunlight place, we observe something. So we should see that in the place of water there is a air that fills in the setup kept in sun. It is actually a gas that will be collected in the test tube, whereas in dark setup there is no air in the test tube. Ante dark place lo unnatuvanti arrangement edaithe undo operators arrangement, we didn't find any air bubbles are moving from the hydrilla plant to the test tube. But whereas in the sunlight lo unnatuvanti operators arrangement edaithe undo, we find that air bubbles are transferred or moving, not transferred, from moving. Air bubbles are moving from hydrilla plant to the bottom of the test tube. We have to observe this thing. Next, test the gas in the test tube by inserting a glowing matchstick or incense stick which would burst into the flames. Aithe when these air bubbles are enter into the bottom of the test tube, we have to carefully remove the test tube from the funnel. We have to separate the test tube from the funnel. So while we are separating, we have to use our thumb to remove the test tube. So after we remove that, carefully we have to insert a matchstick or incense stick into the test tube, so it can give more flame or it bursts into the flames. This shows that the presence of oxygen, nothing but the process of photosynthesis, it releases oxygen into the environment. It proves that. While we are doing this experiment, we should follow some precautions. The precautions are: while removing the test tube from the mouth of the funnel, close the mouth of the test tube with your thumb carefully. This is the precaution. So from this experiment we prove that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of light. Thank you, students. We will be meet in the next session.